back to another vlog. So it's currently 8:45 a.m. in the morning. Our flight from Bacolod to Manila is at 9:20 a.m. Nandito pa kami sa Bacolod Airport. So see you in Manila. So before leaving for international flights, we need to secure Philippine travel tax, and it costs 1,620 pesos.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea.
Just arrived in Manila.
We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah.
You will be needing departure card, guys, upon arriving sa immigration.
Our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire that I love it too.
Lesson learned. Dapat 6 months before the expiry of your passport, dapat makapag-renew na po kayo.
Yes.
Kasi malapit na ako i-book kanina sa immigration.
Kasi 3 months na lang yung validity ng kanyang passport.
I-renew ako na
kumakalusot siya sa Hong Kong immigration.
Oo.
Yun.
Kasi pag hindi, babalik ako ng Zamboanga.
Kahit 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month,
babalik ako ng Manila. Dito na lang ako. Mag-tour na lang ako dito sa Manila.
Hindi, oy. Let's see mamaya sa Hong Kong. This is it! Finally, we're inside the plane and we are going to Hong Kong. This is my first time to Hong Kong, kaya excited na ako. So this is a 3-hour flight, guys, from the Philippines to Hong Kong.
Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
It's very foggy. And kanina, check ko yung weather. It's
landing stations, please. Thank you.
going to be 17 degrees Celsius. Ayan. Super excited. We're here in Hong Kong na lang.
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Hong Kong and we are going to the immigration na. So, mamaya na lang pag okay na kami sa immigration, guys. Bye! We are getting our Octopus cards here. Labas nyo, guys. Dito siya sa mismong center. And then, ayan. Train ticket to the city.
谢谢Ma'am Casey.
We are now in Hong Kong. So, magta-taxi kami, guys. Dito kami sa Kowloon. Ito yung taxi lane nila. Urban taxi.
Check-in na.
Golden In Crown.
So, magta-taxi na lang kami, guys. Kasi sabi nila, mas mura pag taxi kasi mahatian namin yung price ng taxi cab kaysa mag-MRT. Here's the taxi.
In ano? Nathan Road. Nathan Road.
Nathan Road.
Ah.
Nathan Road 啊，高登框啊，彌敦道66號。
Hong Kong Airport. Yeah. And
Have your driver.
ikaw na!
Driver.
This is our cab.
Baka Google Map ka na. Abe? Ay, walang SIM. Try ko.
This is our Airbnb. Maliit lang yung Airbnb namin, guys. So, this is the main door. Then, pagpasok mo, meron kaming CR. Separate yung toilet nila sa shower room, which is very nice. Yan. Super nice, guys, kasi located kami sa Central TSIM SHA TSUI, dito sa Kowloon. Yan. Yan yung baba. With adapters. Okay. We are going outside to eat our dinner kasi hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. And dito kami nagstay, guys, sa Golden Crown Court. Yan. Nathan Road. Ano siya, guys? Ang ganda ng location namin, guys, kasi nandito kami sa Nathan Road. Marami dito bilihan sa baba. So, kung gusto nyo, dito na lang tayo mag-stay. Nathan Road. Ouch. Kain na kami ng street food. Hanap kami, guys, ng street food. At parang meron ako ng yan. May pila. May pila dito, besh.
Okay,
May
besh.
pila dito.
Grabe, ang tagal ng pila. Gutom na ako.
Kakain kami ng street food ng
Yeah.
I'm so excited. At gutom na.
Gutom na ako kanina
Yeah.
pa.
Pila-pila muna tayo. And one beef curry.
炸小干，给我3个炸。
还在小龙虾对不对？
来个沙药，怎么沙药？才刚付完钱对吧？我能变魔术吗？变。
有熱蘇炸雞髀，
打雞腿跟串燒魷魚絲。
點咩啊？
I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon wavelets got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding back in oceans.
Hey guys! It's day 1 here in Hong Kong!
Hello.
Nasaan tayo?
Ito po, nasa TSIM SHA TSUI tayo dito.
Nasa TSIM SHA
在哪
TSUI.
里啊？
Ha?
我是中国人啊，知道。
So,
Wala lang.
中快啦，请你空快啦，I'm不 take it.
But I speak English also.
Wow.
I'm a new addition to the group. Thanks for having me.
Wow.
My name is Kenneth.
So, wala Wala kaming itinerary today, guys. Libot-libot na kami dito sa TSIM SHA TSUI, dito sa area namin. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but yeah, TSIM SHA TSUI. So, ito na lang yung kakainin namin for dinner, guys. Tipid-tipid din pag may time. 7-Eleven. Ito yung napili namin, guys. Yun. Ano siya? 28.50 Hong Kong dollar. Fresh milk na lang.
Kapalit mo.
Araw.
2 for 12.